Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today you see the curls, you see the natural hairline. I'm gonna tell you all about this wig from Luvme Hair. This cap is constructed with combs, adjustable straps, and Luvme included a removable elastic band. With all of that, you'll have plenty of security for this 13x4 lace front. Now, of course, this is a natural edge hairline. I'm just showing you really close how it's looking when I took it out the bag. There's nothing done to this. I love the inconsistencies in the curl pattern around the hairline because it makes it look that much more natural. The texture itself is kinky curl. The very first thing I did is shampoo one time using Garnier Fructis Pure Clean. I'll link all the products I used in the description in the order in which I used them. The hairline looks really nice after it gets some water on it. It's very curly, still inconsistent, which is perfect. This is how the curls are looking. I did not use a conditioner. This is with just one shampoo. And I would recommend shampooing your hair when you first receive it, just to make sure it's clean for you. I'm going to be using the John Frieda leave-in conditioner. And you'll see what I do, but I wanted to do it this way because I wanted to make sure that every section of this hair had moisture so these curls could really pop. So I went in first to detangle, and I did work section by section. And then I used my John Frieda leave-in conditioner, sprayed it generously. Using my wide brush, I detangled. Once the hair is detangled, I use the Garnier Fructis Curl Scrunch. That's the curling agent just to give these curls the lift that they need, and it's going to make sure that it holds, but it's not going to make the hair dry. So I put this on. I did the same thing for every single section, but I took my time. Using the dimming brush just to define the curls. You need a dimming brush with curls, especially this kind of curl, because it's gonna work better than any other brush. The way that I'm brushing the hair, you'll notice I go under and then I just pull it out. That added a lot of lift. If you don't want a lot of lift, or if you don't want your hair to be as defined, you can work in bigger sections and don't lift up, just pull the brush straight down. I sectioned off the front because I knew I needed to apply the wig and I didn't want it to be wet and then it not be able to stick. So I got that out of the way, and then I'm continuing to work in small sections, and I'm gonna do the same thing using the same products, the same tools all the way around. While I was washing the hair, well, let me tell you exactly what I did. So I shampooed it one time with warm water. Usually I would detangle any hair before I shampooed it, but with these curls being so tight, it just wasn't gonna happen. So I went ahead, warm water shampoo once, ran my fingers through it while the shampoo was in there, and I noticed it was pretty soft, very manageable. So I went through with the black brush. I used that first, and just raked my shampoo through. It's the same thing I do with my real hair, so it's fine. And I lost a little bit of hair, but keep in mind this is very tight curled hair. The amount of hair that I lost was definitely justifiable to the curl pattern. You have to take your time with this hair, you have to be delicate, and you cannot do too much. Another thing about this hair, I noticed it is a lot like my hair in the sense that it took a while to absorb the water, which I'm used to it because my real hair, but keep that in mind also. And that's why you see me going back in and spraying the hair with waters, because it was drying so quickly.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
Once I got all of the hair detangled besides the front, I went ahead and parted out my side section, my side part. Then I braided the hair just to get it out the way so that when we put it on, it's easy.
Why do I need to be good all the time?
I cut very close to the hairline just because it's a natural edge, so you don't really need any extra lace. The size of this wig was large, which was perfect for me because I got a big head. It fit perfectly side to side. I did cut the sides of my ear off camera, but it wasn't anything special. It was just literally a straight line. And this lace is always clear, always undetectable on both sides of my arm. To apply, I am using this spray, I forgot what it's called, the Eben adhesive spray. And I'm just going from ear to ear, side to side, nothing special, I'm letting it dry. I only did one layer of this. Also, I have to note I did no plucking, tweezing, bleaching other knots. What you see me do is what I did. Besides cutting the ear and shampooing, I showed you everything I did.
And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
Now I'm just pulling the edge out a little bit just so that I can secure the lace, because you can't always see it because of those little hairs in the way, which makes this perfect if you want to do a glueless style. But I wanted to be able to wear this wig for a little while, so I tied it down with my elastic band just so it can get a good melt. And then it's time to do the front. I'm going to repeat the same thing I did in the back, but you'll be able to see a little bit better. Again, I will link all the products and tools that I use to make this wig pop in the description.
He knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama.
Do you notice the bounce that hair has? It's just like so bouncy, so full. It's detangled perfectly. Now the hair in the back at this point was about, I'd say like 85-90% dry. So I let the front dry as well. But you can see how much it like shrinks up just like our real hair. I love this hair. It's super natural. Looks like a really good wash and go. Beautiful curls, undetectable lace. Love me hair. All the links will be in the description. Use the code Arielle, my name Arielle, when you buy this wig so you can save you some money. I will leave all the links in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Feeling